Hey Adam, this is Alexis with Backlinks Web Design, and I just wanted to shoot this short video to show you 3 things we could do to help bring in more business. This is a free plan of attack, so if you want to just take this information and do it yourself, that is perfectly fine with me. But I just wanted to show you some of the tricks I have up my sleeve. First we want to get started with content. Google really likes to see about 1,500 words on that front page, and you have about 100, so you just want to get in there and get that content put in there with a bunch of the keywords you're going to be wanting ranked for in Google. And secondly, on that content is photos. Google really likes to see photos saved as keywords, so this one here is really great, but I've seen a few of them in here, like this one. You're also going to want to be saved as some of those keywords such as plumbing and your name and all those things. Those are 2 great things you can do in your website that'll get you ranked up in Google higher. So the second thing I want to move to is citations. Citations has to do with this map pack here on Google. And let's see where you are on this. All Pro. I'm not quite seeing you on that first page, but to see on your citations really, it's your name, your number, and your address, and how many sites that is on. So here is White Spark. You can see that you have 33 citations. That's probably why you're not on that front page there, because your competitors have 73 more than you do. So what you want to do here is you're going to want to go to these opportunities down here, and you can see these are all the places that your competitors have that you don't. So you're just going to want to go in here, click them, and then you're going to want to get your name, number, and address put on all of these websites. And to rank above them, you're going to want to do even more than these. But that's simply citations. That's a great way to get number 1 in map packs. So for the third thing I want to show you today are backlinks. And this here is Ahrefs. And this right here, this UR, this is the strength that your website has. And this is the trust that Google has for your website. And this right here, your backlinks, this is showing that you have 101 backlinks. This is linking back to your page, and there are 17 referring domains, which means all 101 of those links are on 17 different pages. So if you want to go in here, and you can see if you go in here and put one of your competitors in here, that they have more than you, and this is what's ranking them above you in Google. So what you can do here is you can go in here and see what backlinks they have. And backlinks are not created equally. So here, again, there's that trust. And this is how trusted it is in Google. So the higher this number is, the better off. And this is why he is ranking so high, is because he has all 90s. But just get in here and get all these ones that you don't have and get yourself linked in there. Then that's going to build your trust in Google, and that's what's going to raise you to number 1. And you can do that for all of your competitors. Just get in there and get them backlinks, them high ranking backlinks. So to end this video, we talked about content, we talked about citations, and we talked about backlinks, and these are all going to help you rank in Google. And the top is what's going to bring you more customers. And that's the end of this video. So if you've liked what you've seen and you would like to get started with us, just feel free to contact us at 765-639-9289, and I will be happy to help you. Thank you.